All right, so Workplace 20, we're talking about a practice your new skills problem from section 3.2. We're talking about surface area, volume, capacity of different objects. This obviously is a pyramid. This is a hexagonal pyramid. It's hexagonal. This hex part is the number of sides of the base, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. That's why it's a hexagon on the bottom. Therefore, it's called a hexagonal pyramid. Why is it called a pyramid? Because it all comes to a point here, right? If it was a hexagonal, and please excuse that hexagon, that's not really a hexagon, it's just my quick drawing of, if the base and the top were the same, that would be a prism, right? But if it all comes to a point in the middle, it's a pyramid. That's possibly the worst drawing I've ever done. Okay. Anyways, you get that though? Okay, hexagonal. Now, hexagon is the actual shape. Hexagonal would be a descriptive word. That's like a, what is that, adjective, right? It's describing what kind of pyramid it is. Okay, now that we got that figured out. So the lateral surface area. Oh, another thing here. Okay, lateral. So lateral means sides. Lateral movement is side to side, okay? So lateral means the sides of the object, all right? So not the base, not the top, just the sides, whatever's around the side. So I need to find out the area, right, of this triangle, or one of these lateral sides, okay? Now, I'm going to just kind of maybe just blow that up here, just redraw it over here. And what am I given? Well, I'm given the fact that this can be understood to be, you can assume this to be a regular hexagonal pyramid, which means that all sides are the same length. So this is 3.5 feet. You see that? Okay? So this side right here is 3.5 feet because each of these 6 sides are 3.5 feet. So that's the base of the triangle. They also give us, which is very, very handy, they give us the, oh, wow. Like this is just sucky drawing day. Like I cannot do a straight line. Although this is really hard on the old tabletto here. Yeah, okay. Boom. My mic is now in the way. Okay, so this line, let's say this is the height, and this they say is 12.4 feet, right? So the lateral area, okay, let's think this through. If I can find the area of one of those triangles and then multiply that by 6, that's going to be the lateral area, okay? Because there's 6 sides. And every side of the base has a triangle attached to it, right? So how do I find the area of a triangle? The formula is 1, what? Anybody could finish that for me? Area of a triangle is? 1 over 2, okay, 1/2. Just 1/2? Anything else there? Base times height, thank you. Base times height. That's the area of a triangle. You learned that back when you were a little bitty baby, so you should know that. Okay, 1/2 base times height. So the area of the triangle here is 1/2 times the base, which is 3.5, times the height, which they give to us. That's very nice of them. 12.4, sorry, 0.4. Let's get that in there. So I'll just erase this so I can have room to work. And so we have, well, I can do 1/2 of 12.4 in my head. So I can save my fingers some button pushing. That's 6.2, right? So 3.5 times 6.2. Okay. So what is that? On the handy dandy calculator, does anybody have that one? Or are you going to make me do it? Really? No one has this? Okay, you guys. You do, you just want to be sure. That's okay. I understand that. You're just going to let me do the work for you. Did you get 21.7? I did. Right on. Look at that. You're awesome and you didn't even realize it. Oh, geez, what did I say? I'm not lost it. 21.7. 21.7. Okay, so that would be feet squared, wouldn't it? Square feet. Okay, let's remember the units, important too. Now, what did I say? That's the area of one of these triangles. How many lateral sides do I actually have in a hexagonal pyramid? It was what? 6. Okay, so the total area, the surface area here, is going to be 21.7 times 6. And on your calculator, to save you some button pushes again, just take your old answer and just hit times 6. Boom. 130.2. So the surface area here should be 130.2. And of course, we want to make sure we have the proper units there. That's a part of a correct answer, feet squared. And you're going to write neater than I am. Neater, right? Like, seriously. It's like I haven't written on this like for a year or something. Because that doesn't even look like a 130. That looks like a BO. BO. Whew. This thing's got BO. Okay, 130.2. You guys okay with that? Any questions? Does that help? Yeah. Right on. Mr. MathWell out. Like, subscribe, share. Go to mrmathwell.com.